Todd and I decided to try and put in our food plot. This time of year always comes with its challenges, especially with the dry stretch we've been facing. So we grabbed the old Oliver tractor and John Deere disc and started to work up some ground. With some rain finally showing up in the forecast, conditions are looking a lot more promising. If you've been holding off on planting a food plot, now's the time to get seed in the ground so it can take advantage of that much needed rain. You know it's not too late to reseed your plot if it didn't come up like you wanted.
As you can see, Matt, he's got it all disked up, and we took these old hand seeders, spread some winter wheat on this, and then Matt ran over it with a cultipacker. Kind of want your seed to be buried basically about the diameter depth of the seed. So we're just taking a guess at it. I've got a few turnips here. I'm going to plant this kind of, that end was the tree stands and this end is the tree stands. One thing about turnips, you don't want to seed them real heavy or they'll not make a turnip. Now I know we're late in the year to do turnips, so right now we're just probably hoping for the greens to come up, because if you can get the greens, you get a good frost on them, they turn really sweet, and the deer will be in, they'll be in and tearing them down. So if you could get some turnips, they'll be in later this winter and they'll be digging them things up and eating them. So anyway, I'm going to get out, throw the last bit of our turnips out. It's supposed to rain chances all week, and we ain't had good rain since probably 1st of July. It's middle of September. So I'm going to throw some turnips out. We're going to call this food plot done. We may come back and just hand throw some lime on it. Lime's very important. Don't spend your money on fertilizer if the pH isn't right, and that's just how it is. So I'm going to throw some turnips out. We're going to call this plot done.
From all of us at Ozark Traditions TV, we thank you for watching. And remember, if you see us out in God's country, stop us. We'd like to meet you.